provide advanced professional and technical expertise to secure and uplift the growth of engineering project plans for the future and the success of every client. A prime engineering consultancy firm equipped with highly sought talents and technological abilities, a bridge that would connect the client and each dream.
Hello everyone. Welcome to this virtual meeting. Is everybody present?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, let us introduce ourselves. I am Engineer Melvin Reed, the CEO of this company.
I am Engineer Clarissa Rivera, the Executive Secretary.
Hello, everyone. I'm Girly Arisgati.
Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Jericho Bay Burgos.
I'm Engineer Alma Alea Sangkala.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Engineer General Villanova Jr.
And I am Jesse Engineer. I love
Good day, everyone. My name is Engineer Fontini Jean Higanto.
Good day, everyone. I am Engineer Eduardo El Catigtig Jr.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Engineer Leonardo Abais Jr.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. As all of you know, today you have a client who wanted to expand their tidal power plant. They consulted us because they want to be sure not to lose from investment. And they are asking about the rate of return, the location, cash flows, the risk, project life, and other matters.
Sir, with regards to the minimum achievable, considering the market risk, such as the unavailability of raw materials, labor, and price evasion of materials, measuring also their limit capital, the minimum attractive rate of return should be increased by 13%.
I think since the company invested $1 million and return of $40 per year, calculating using present worth method, the result is promising, and this shows that this is a good investment for the company.
Rest assured that I am taking down all of the important details we are discussing here.
Remember, to be attractive, a capital project must provide a return that exceeds the minimum level. By the way, how about the other methods, such as the internal and external rate of return?
Sir, in my calculation, the IRR and ERR, there are no problem with that. So far, IRR is higher than 1.24% more than MARR. But I would suggest that they will use the present worth analysis for the overall calculations.
For the suppliers of the materials to be used in the construction of the facilities, the machines needed, there are three companies listed that offers the best price and the best quality. The company B, I, and E.
Okay, since offer the same prices and quality, I think we should choose the company closer to the site so that we can save from the transportation costs.
Yes, sir. The closest company to the site is the company B.
As Engineer Sangkala highly advised to use the present worth analysis, as I do my calculation, the result shows greater than 0. So the project of expanding tidal power plant will develop a revenue of cash flows.
Okay. Engineer Jacob, with regards to the inflation, how about that? How does the inflation affect?
Sir, with regards to the inflation, sir, the rate down to 4.5% of April 2021 compared to 7.2% in the next month of the pandemic. However, more than double 2.2% posted in April 2020. The rate was mainly because of this pandemic. The manufacturers of materials and equipments are still in half the capacity.
If you're going to purchase the materials at this time, we can guarantee to the quality, but we will lose at the quantity. The cash flow will be very big since too much money will be used for those materials and equipment because of the loss of purchase power. Another thing also is the operation cost of the plant is quite high. Is this project feasible?
If the economy will continue to reopen, the inflation rate will slowly decline. With that, the power plant will be able to generate more profit because we are in a pandemic. The demand of the electricity is very high.
Knowing that all the machines and equipments will depreciate and has a salvage value of $250,000 and of 25 years. In order then to minimize the cost for the modified accelerated cost recovery.
To strongly agree or suggest that it is best for the company to invest in the expansion of their power plant today since the government increased the corporate income tax from 30% to 25% and will decrease 1% annually, which will start by 2023 until 2027. After that period, the corporate income tax will already be 20%. Calculating the reverence with deduction of the expenses, including the tax, it will be still a huge return for the company.
Well, it seems that this project of expansion has a lot to consider. By the way, as part of the expansion project, they are asking if the existing machines and equipment, especially the tidal turbines, that are almost more than halfway to their operational life, if it will be replaced right now or just wait until the end of the service life.
Sir, the tidal turbines have operational life of 35 years with a 5-year maintenance cycle.
What is your suggestion then?
Analyzing using the cash flow approach since both the existing and new machines and equipment have the same operational life. Considering that the new machines and equipment have advanced technologies, but if we are going to change the existing ones, a huge sum of money will be used because of inflation. The problem also here is that the limited capital.
Will you please give the specific dates?
Sir, the current total cost of installation of turbine, including the subsea cable installation and onshore electric grid interconnection, is about $4,700,000 per turbine. There are existing 9 turbines that they wanted to place, but still operational. It would be just a waste of money. In addition to that, they need to buy and install new turbine as part of the expansion and construction of the facilities. The existing machines and equipment are operational to generate revenue for the company.
Okay.
plans to purchase machines and to adapt to the existing machine.
Sir, upon recognizing the risk and to fully recognize, I use the decision tree. I strongly advise to the client that they must also know how to evaluate risk so that later on, as they started their expansion, it will be easy for them to make decisions. By the way, here are the things which are included in the decision tree. First is more than one stage of alternative selection. Second is selection of alternative at one stage that leads to another stage. Third, what y'all?
Yes, we can hear you.
Third is the expected result from a decision of each stage. Fourth is the probability estimates at each outcome. Fifth is the estimate of each economic value, cost, or revenue for each outcome. And lastly is the measure of worth as a selection criterion such as EPW.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, we have already given our estimation to the parameters such as MARR, inflation rates, salvage value, and material costs, and also estimated life, plotting the percent worth, annual worth, and the rate of the return versus the parameters. Result that should also upon analyzing the financial data of the company in last couple of years, and by the time they will successfully expand their power plant, the expected net cash flow will be $53 million in the first 6 months. This is good thing to the future of the project, sir.
Okay, job well done, everyone. So in my decision and final recommendation to the client, it is timely for them to expand the tidal power plant. They must also use the present worth analysis and set the minimum attractive rate of return to 13% for them to fully recover the cost and acquire profit. About the placement of existing machines, I'd rather suggest that do not replace it. Instead, purchase another one to add up to the existing ones. Use the decision tree to recognize the risk. I am very optimistic that this advice of ours will be beneficial to the project they are planning to. I wish them success. Thank you so much, everyone, for your very informative for your advice. Being adjourned.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Something,
Thank
sir.
you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.